now, Frankie?
The normies came back.
That's the best they could do! Hey, whoa! Hey, up there! Uh-oh. Whoa! Look out! Thanks, baby.
Do not mention it.
Again? Those clothes-ruining animals!
Hey, Heath just got saved by a girl.
Oh, man.
Oh! Attention, students, attention. Will everyone please go to the Clauditorium in 5 minutes for an emergency assembly?
Come on, baby, don't go out on me like this. I need my tools to be me. No.
Jackson, slow down!
Oh, sorry. I need to charge my eye coffin.
It's not safe to be a me right now.
Settle down, please. It is now clear that the situation with the normies in the next town has become much worse. Until Halloween is over, when you are outside of Monster High, please disguise yourselves. Hide. Do not let anyone know you are a monster.
Wait, hide who we are? Headmistress Bloodgood, this goes against everything we've ever been taught at Monster High. We shouldn't be embarrassed of our differences. We should be proud. She's right. And we used to be proud. Look, no one knows this, but Halloween used to be for monsters. We were celebrated and admired, not chased and ridiculed. So I say it's time we stop being afraid and take back our holiday. For all monsters.
Yeah, let's take back Halloween by force!
Yeah, we're with you!
Oh, no. I didn't mean... guys!
Come on, this way!
What have I done?